in this video, we're going to show you how we repaired this damaged concrete step. So we started by chipping off all the old paint and getting it back to the raw concrete so we can actually repair it. We give it a good old sweep, and then we moved on to applying some multi-purpose primer. Now all this primer does is it seals down any of the dust, and we're going to make sure it's got a nice application so the new concrete will adhere to the surface correctly. Now we move on to making a nice template because the floor was slightly out. So if we set our timber level, when we apply the concrete, it gives us a nice guide to follow to. But when we cut it, we just needed to make sure that we could get it level with the back of the door frame. As you can see, Phil here checking with the boat level. Just going to put some temporary braces with some CT1 Superfast. These braces will actually hold it in place until the cement's gone off enough for us to remove it. Now it's time to mix the cement. We're using rapid set cement because we don't want no cat prints, paw prints, baby prints. When mixing the cement, you're looking for a nice consistency. So you don't want it too wet that it just slops around and you can't get a nice finish. But you also don't want it too dry that you can't move it around. So once you find the right consistency in the bucket that you can move it around, pull it out and start laying it in the gap. Just like we are. We're using a little baby trowel. It's just helping us pushing it down the front of that tiny bit of the step. We will get a grown-up's trowel very soon in the video. Now it's time to finish it off. So basically you start letting it set and then you just let it go dry off, tack off a little bit, and then we're going to hit again with the trowel, making sure it's all nice and flat. And then there's one more step before I forget because I missed it on the last one. So then we're going to grab the trowel and run it along the front, and there's a reason for this. So if you just don't do this, you'll remove it, the front of the step will break off. So a very important stage. We keep smoothing it off. Hope you enjoyed the video. Love you, bye.